Welcome to Booqable. In this video, you will learn how easy it is to charge and refund refundable damage deposits for your rental orders. Security deposits help rental businesses around the world gain that extra assurance that customers will return the products the way they found them, or cover the costs of repairs or replacements if damaged. If you wish to charge refundable damage deposits for your online orders, go to Settings, scroll down to Online Reservations and hit Checkout, and then hit the Payment in Checkout section. The first step here is, if you do have a rental website, to make sure that you have Charge Refundable Security Deposits at Checkout turned on after you select how much of your order amount you wish to charge. Next up, you can click the Pricing heading in your settings and click into the Security Deposits section. Here, you will be given a choice of how this refundable security deposit is calculated before you charge it. These settings will be applied for online orders and orders you place yourself in the back end. If you choose the first option, that no deposit is charged, your online checkout will only show the order amount owing. If you choose the next option, order amount percentage, you can enter a percentage of the overall order amount to be charged as a refundable damage deposit. If you choose the next option, which is fixed amount, you can set a fixed amount, like $100, that is going to be charged on every single rental order, regardless of how much that rental order costs. Lastly, you can choose to charge a percentage of a product security deposit value. Some products are more expensive to replace than others, so this allows you to set different security deposit values for different products. Set it at 100% and then go to your products, hit the pricing panel, and scroll down to security deposits and set how much you wish to charge to insure this product. This will appear as a refundable security deposit on the online checkout. Alternatively, you can set the amount in your products as the replacement cost of each product. And then in your pricing settings, set a percentage of your choice you wish to charge for that, such as 10%. This way, if your product is damaged, this amount will not be refunded to the customer. Now, when online orders appear in your backend, you can click into them, hit the Return button, and choose if you wish to keep or refund the security deposit. If you wish to refund it, leave the Keep Security Deposit field blank, and the payment status will change to Process Deposit to remind you to refund your deposit. Click that and follow the prompts to choose how you wish to refund your security deposit and how much you wish to refund. Now, it will appear as the deposit refunded under the payment information in your order. Lastly, when you place orders in the backend yourself, you can search for your product, add it to the order, and see that the correct security deposit amount based on your settings will appear in the payment section automatically. And you're all set. You have now successfully learned how easy it is to charge and refund security deposits for your Booqable rental orders.